If you are driving in heavy rain, snow, or just need a clear view on the road, having the right wiper blades can make all the difference. In today's video, we will be taking a closer look at top-rated products from trusted brands like Rain-X, Bosch, VTOGOI, and more. We will explore their key features, performance in various weather conditions, and help you choose the perfect wiper blades to keep your windshield clear and your driving safe. Let's get started. Number 1. Rain-X 810165 Windshield Wiper. The Rain-X 810165 combines a patented water repellent formula with advanced wiper blade technology, making it highly effective in all weather conditions. It not only clears water from your windshield, but also repels it, ensuring superior visibility and safety while driving. Its easy installation and universal fit make it accessible to a wide range of vehicles, enhancing driving comfort and safety. Key features: clears and repels water simultaneously. Water beads up and rolls off while driving. Fits 96% of vehicles for easy installation. Provides uniform pressure for a smooth wipe. Designed for extreme conditions like ice, snow, and sleet. Number 2. Motium WLJH22220EM Windshield Wiper. The Motium WLJH22220EM offers award-winning bracketless beam design, delivering superior performance in both rain and snow. Its blade conforms to the windshield's curve, ensuring a consistent, streak-free wipe, while preventing dirt and debris buildup. The aerodynamic shape reduces drag and enhances performance, making it a reliable choice for all-season use. Key features: award-winning design for superior performance. Ensures smooth and streak-free wiping. Prevents debris buildup for cleaner performance. Reduces drag and eliminates debris collection. Ideal for both rain and snow. Number 3. EMITHSUN E2418 Windshield Wiper. The EMITHSUN E2418 Windshield Wiper provides a smooth, streak-free wiping experience with its dual memory spring steel and asymmetrical wind spoiler. Its high-quality construction ensures stability and quiet operation in all weather conditions, including rain and snow. With easy and quick installation for U or J hook wiper arms, it's a reliable choice for those seeking convenience and performance. Key features: no need for adapters. Fits U or J hook wiper arms. Uniform pressure distribution for a clean wipe. Performs well in all weather conditions. Enhances windshield contact without gaps. Includes 24-inch driver and 18-inch passenger wiper blades. Number 4. Bosch 26A18 Windshield Wiper. The Bosch 26A18 Windshield Wiper offers exceptional durability with its exclusive dual rubber technology, lasting up to 40% longer than other premium blades. Its patented beam design and tension spring technology provide a perfect fit for optimized visibility, even in extreme weather conditions. With easy installation and superior performance at high speeds, this wiper ensures a cleaner, streak-free wipe every time. Key features: resists heat and ozone for longer life. Custom contoured fit for better visibility. Ensures firm windshield contact at higher speeds. Compatible with 9x3mm and 9x4mm hook wiper arms. Reliable performance in tough conditions. Number 5. PARRATI i2018 Windshield Wiper. The PARRATI i2018 Windshield Wiper offers excellent wiping performance with its natural rubber material, ensuring a clean and streak-free windshield for improved safety. Its aerodynamic and bracketless design minimizes drag and wind noise while preventing snow and ice buildup. With easy installation and reliable service, it's a great choice for drivers seeking durability and optimal visibility. Key features: provides clean, streak-free wiping. Reduces drag, noise, and wind lift. Prevents snow and ice buildup. Dual precision tension springs ensure better windshield contact. Easy to install in minutes without adapters. Number 6. 5 Plus Windshield Wiper. The 5 Plus Windshield Wiper is upgraded with a silicone strip that not only provides durable performance, but also creates a waterproof coating on the windshield, ensuring a clear view in the rain. Its weather-resistant silicone material, combined with a special graphene coating, reduces friction for quieter operation. The wiper's precision memory steel springs adapt to the windshield's curvature, delivering a thorough and efficient clean. Key features: forms a waterproof coating for improved visibility, performs well in extreme temperatures, reduces friction for quieter wiping, conforms to windshield curvature for better cleaning, fits pinch tab wiper arms with a 10-second install time. Number 7. Rain X820145 Windshield Wiper. The Rain X820145 windshield wiper is built with 16 years of trusted quality, offering reliable performance that meets or exceeds original equipment manufacturer standards. Its all-natural rubber squeegee resists cracking and tearing, ensuring durability in all weather conditions. With multiple pressure points and friction reducers, this wiper delivers an even, streak-free wipe for improved visibility and safety on the road. Key features: 16 years of proven performance, pre-installed J-hook adapter for simple setup, multiple pressure points for a clean wipe, resists damage from extreme weather and road elements, long-lasting and corrosion-resistant, fits various wiper blade arm types. Number 8. VTOGOI V2419 Windshield Wiper. The VTOGOI V2419 windshield wiper provides a secure fit for J-hook wiper arms, making installation quick and easy. Its spring tension design ensures uniform pressure distribution across curved windshields, eliminating wet spots for improved visibility. Made from high-quality natural rubber, it delivers a smooth and streak-free wipe, while the aerodynamic design reduces wing drag and noise for a quieter experience. Key features: easy installation with a secure fit for 93 and 94 wiper arms, provides even pressure for effective cleaning, ensures smooth and streak-free wiping, reduces drag and wind noise, prevents snow and ice buildup. Number 9. ANRDDO S042620B14 Windshield Wiper. The ANRDDO S042620B14 windshield wiper set offers a perfect OEM replacement for Acura MDX models, ensuring a precise fit and reliable performance. Its dual precision tension springs and asymmetrical spoiler provide uniform pressure for a clean, streak-free wipe. The dual rubber compound with graphite coating guarantees smooth, quiet operation, making it a dependable choice for improved visibility and comfort in all weather conditions. Key features: perfect fit for 2014 to 2020 Acura MDX models. Dual precision tension springs for better windshield contact, ensures smooth and quiet wiping, provides a clean and consistent wipe, simple and quick to install and remove. Comes with 26-inch, 20-inch, and 14-inch blades for a complete set. Thanks for exploring the best windshield wiper on the market with us. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest content.